Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CR-V starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts while you work. Next, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 14mm socket, and a ratchet. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands or a lift before beginning any work underneath. Now, let's find that starter. It's usually situated on the engine block, close to the transmission bell housing. You'll see two main electrical connections, a thick power cable and a smaller solenoid wire. Carefully disconnect both of these, often requiring a 12mm or 14mm socket. Sometimes, a small bracket or hose might need to be moved for better access. With the electrical connections free, it's time to unbolt the starter. There are typically two mounting bolts, often 14mm or 17mm, holding it in place. Use your ratchet and appropriate socket to loosen and remove them. Once the bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the old starter free from its housing. It might be a bit heavy, so be prepared to support its weight. Now for the new starter. Carefully slide it into position, aligning it with the bolt holes. Hand tighten the two mounting bolts first, then torque them down to about 30 foot-pounds. Reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire, ensuring they are snug. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and give your CR-V a test start to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.